Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my weekly predictions and analysis for gold and silver. And last week, as I recommended, 1803 was a good buying level for 1825, 1830 levels on gold, and on silver 2240 was a buying level we had recommended on the weekly basis, and the target was 2280, 2300, and then 2340. It achieved all the targets, went very close to this. Silver achieved 2330 and gold achieved 1830. Now what lies ahead for the week? Let's have a look with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Those who are new to the channel, I provide my daily and weekly analysis for US, Europe, India markets and commodities including gold and silver and crude oil and natural gas. So also the daily videos which I release specifically for Forex, gold, silver and markets definitely helps you to set the direction for the day and helps you in your trading decisions. So press the bell icon, stay tuned with the latest updates. Now let's start the analysis with gold's chart first. Look at the weekly charts for gold. You can see that this level at 1833 36 again proving out to be a very strong resistance. Also I had told that it is trading in this box and is sideways. So right now again it is trading sideways. This week traded well within this range. Also you can see on the weekly charts higher lows is what we can see, and hence it has confirmed that it is still in this bullish channel. Now probably this week it might try to break 1830, and once it breaks 1830 1833 zone, probably it might achieve 1850 1855, and in fact can go till towards here at 1865 levels. So this time if it let me give you a closer look now. So we have seen that here you can see higher lows but failing to go past this. So it is a narrowing triangle in which it is trading. Now either it should break 1800 this week, then only I will consider this as bearish. On the top side it should break 1833, then I will recommend you to go long. So almost it has closed the week at the middle at 1807 1817 levels, and hence almost 15 points either side, you can say 17 points either side, it has to move, then you can definitely go long. I am expecting it to give you a bullish breakout where it might head towards 1853 1865 levels. The first target is obviously 1847 to 1853 zone, and then probably if it might try to go high, it can in fact achieve 1865 levels. But a breakout can be expected on the top side, and you can expect that it might try to rise probably. However, between 1800 and 1833 I will be still skeptical, and it might trade within this zone. Now look at the daily charts. We have seen the weekly charts. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, see, this is almost double top. In fact, triple top has been formed. This time it tried to break out but failing to go past 1830 levels, closed the week with a second red candle. uh, However, now this zone at 1815 has provided a support, and beyond 1815 now it might get the next support at 1808 and 1800 levels. So probably it might try to drop till towards 1808 levels, and from there we might see a rise again towards 1833, and then can in fact trade beyond those levels. However, breaking 1800 this time, that is the level I will recommend you to enter into a short for 1790, which is a very strong support level. I will consider this as double top, and then it might try to come back till towards 1790. From there, which direction it takes, we have to look at it. The next support level at 1783 and 1778 will come into picture. If it breaks below that zone, definitely it will try to break harder. So once again, let's go back to the weekly charts. On the weekly charts, now if it breaks 1800, as I said, if it breaks 1800, the next target is obviously going towards the support at 1791, and then 1783 and 1778 zone. So if it breaks either of them, 78 1778, then try to lend towards 1760 and be all below levels also. So appears also we should not forget that here the top of this trend line, which is a downward trending channel, if it breaks this time 1850, definitely it is trying to break past this bearish channel. And once it breaks out of this bearish channel, the rise is infinite. It might or it can head towards 1900 also in the coming weeks. So we have to be very cautious. This is long term bearish channel. Any breakout will definitely make gold and silver, specifically gold, may fly if it breaks past 1847 1850 levels. So we have to always remember this fact. On the flip side, breaking 1800, on the downside the range is quite open. On the downside, it might break till towards 1760, and breaking 1750, it can head directly towards sub 1700 levels in the coming weeks. Now let's have a look at the monthly charts. So I am going to give you the trading levels. Do bear with me for a little more time. Now look at the monthly charts. On the monthly charts, it is very near to cross this level at 1833. Also remember, it has formed this tail out there. So any breakout beyond 1833 and 1836 specifically will try to take it towards 1855. Now a probable level till 1855 can be expected. From there, if it goes beyond 1855 1865, if it goes beyond, then definitely it will try to achieve the top of this at 1900 plus level. Now this is on the monthly chart, whether it is going to happen this month or not. But yes, if it breaks 1836, I think we are in a very good position to at least expect 1847 this week itself. And then if it grows past 1855 on the weekly charts, definitely it is going to rise towards 1865 1880 and 1900 levels. On the flip side, if it breaks 1800 on the monthly charts, probably it might try to come back again towards 1760, and in fact try to remain in this trading zone itself. So it is kind of narrowing triangle in which it might continue for little more. Maybe the month of March, the third candle from here, can try to give it a strong breakout either ways. So trade with caution. Now let's have a look at the indicators before I give you the levels. Also, let's have a look at the indicators. What are the indicators are suggesting. Now looking at the indicators on the daily charts, you will see that the gold right now is beyond the 100 moving average, 50 moving average, and is trading beyond this critical zone at 1719 to 90 to 1808 levels. Now falling back between this zone, it might try to get some support till 1790, and till that time we can remain bullish on gold. If it remains to if it breaks any of this level below 1790, then only I will expect that it might drop further towards 1778 and 1780 levels. And on the flip side, if it breaks this zone at 1828 and probably 1836, if it breaks this zone, definitely it will fly towards 1847 and further levels. So right now, trading beyond 20 moving average in a bullish zone is it appears. And you can see the DPO is in green, is in buy zone. However, the stochastic here is of concern to me, and it can drop for next couple of days before trying to rise. It may try to cool down gold a bit before trying to take a rise again. So the stochastic here is overbought. You can see on the daily charts here it is overbought. There is a crossover which is happening, and hence we may see couple of red candles or 1 2 red candle before it may try to come back again and rise past 1830 levels. So this is what we can see from the stochastic. And on the MACD lines are almost have crossed over and almost running parallel. So only few bullish candle, couple of bullish candle, and if the divergence is high, then only I will say that there is a strong bullishness in the movement. However, right now it appears it is going to trade a little more for sideways till the time it remains below 1836 levels, and it does not diverge. These MACD lines The angle of these MACD lines divergence has to increase for very strong bullish move to expect on the cards. RSI is comfortable, and considering this, let me give you the trading levels directly. So let me divide the charts into two. Right now 18 levels. Any long 8 18, I will say 1829. If it crosses, you can take a safe long for 1833, 1837. Now these two levels, if it crosses successfully, then the next target is 1847, and if it crosses, then 1853, and if it trades beyond 1853 and 1857, definitely it will fly past 1865. Any rise beyond these levels will take it to skies, and we can expect 1880 and plus levels also. So remember, it has to go past 1833-37 zone for any bullish move. But yes, you can take a safe long position with the retracement, and yes, you have to keep your stop loss strictly at these levels before trying to continue. Beyond 1837, definitely we are going to remain long. We have to close all our shorts, and we definitely it will rise strongly. On the flip side, if it breaks 1808, here you can take a shot at for 1803 and then 1800. Now if it breaks 1800 any point this time, this week, you can definitely try to remain short on gold, and you can expect 1791. Once 1791 is taken, my next target is 1783, then 1778, and then 1760. Below that, heavy break, and it might or it can drop further towards 1740 and below levels. Sky is the limit. You cannot trade, you cannot limit your the movement of any of these commodities or markets. You have to keep yourself open. But yes, below 1800 I will be little bearish, and specifically below 1778 1783 zone, if it breaks, it is going to be extremely bearish move where it might fall strongly. So we have to take our positions. Any rise beyond 1829, very good level to go long. You can expect that it might continue with the bullish momentum, but till 1837 you can keep yourself skeptical of the rise, and it can retrace anytime. Hence, achieving any of these targets, you have to close and you have to enter again if it tries to move back again on the top side. On the downside, 1808, if it breaks, yes, you can take a shot for 1803, 1800. Remember, on the charts, 1800 is a very good support now. Breaking 1800 this time, one can remain definitely short, and we can expect further bearish move on gold. So this is all for gold. Now let's move towards silver. Now this analysis, obviously, if I am sharing on the daily charts also, so definitely it will help you in your trading decisions. So do watch the daily video also, daily forex video, and you can take your trading decisions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. Silver, as I told last time also, taking the support at 2200, we have seen a very good rise. Now still very much contained in this channel. However, the top side is limited here. I had told that 2240 levels will provide a very strong support. So anytime if it breaks 2240 this time, 2340 this time, definitely it can head towards 2380 and further levels. On the top side, the sky is the limit. Now look at this on the daily charts. You can also see, let me narrow it a bit. The previous three candles we have seen higher highs. Hence there is bullishness. However, it has tried to drop but failed to break this channel on the daily charts. Also, this is a near term chart where we have seen higher highs on the cards. Let me correct it a bit. And yes, all you can see on this, it is trying to get some resistance here in this zone at 2340, which is a very strong resistance. 2240 again was a support level. Beyond this, we have asked you to go long. You can see here this zone at 2240, it is trading above this box. Breakout has been given, but again till here we can expect it to trade sideways. If it breaks 2340, yes, it will fly again towards 2400, 2500 levels as we shared last time. Now let's have a look at the weekly charts. So on the weekly charts, we have seen the daily charts. Now look at the weekly charts for silver. On the weekly charts, you will find that higher lows, lower highs, and probably now if it breaks only 2250, I will recommend you to go short on silver. And if it breaks 2330, 2320 levels, in fact I will say 2330, if it breaks, yes, that is the level at which you can go long, and you can expect 2380 levels, and in fact can head towards 2400 and 2450 levels also. So see, one thing is probably it might try to contain itself within this zone, that is 2330 to 2250 levels, and we can see it trading sideways before it might try to take a decisive move. Also, if it opens flat, open the weak flat, tries to take a rise, goes towards 2330, breaks it, definitely we might see a very good rise on silver. If it breaks 2330 and then 2340 levels, definitely we might see a very good rise for on silver, and we can expect 2400, 2450, and in fact 2500 also if it continues to rise in this channel. Also, you have to see on the weekly charts, there is a double bottom which has been formed, higher lows, and which is indicating that it is still very much in this bullish channel. So the next target, probably if it continues to rise, we can expect 2370, 2380 zone, and beyond that, or if it breaks, we can expect 2450 also on the cards. Now let's have a look at the monthly charts. On the monthly charts, here breaking 2340, 2350 is important for us on monthly charts also. Previous to previous month, higher highs were there. This month, lower uh, higher lows are there. So if it breaks 2350, if it breaks 2350 this time, definitely see the tail is already there. It might try to continuously rise till towards here at 2450, 2500 levels, and in fact can go well beyond. So I'll be watchful of this, or else it has to contain itself in this. However, double bottom has been formed, and probably if it breaks 2350 this time, definitely a strong rise on the cards can be seen on silver. We can expect it to head towards 2400, 2450, and 2480 levels also. So this is what we can see on the monthly charts. Now let's have a look at the indicators on the daily charts. After that, I will give you the trading levels to watch out for. Now look at the daily charts. You will find that silver trading below the 100 moving average, and almost taking the support from 50 moving average down there. Now if it crosses any of this, if it crosses, see how beautifully the 100 exponential moving average tried to give it a resistance at 2330, 2335 levels. So any break beyond this zone, any break beyond 2350 will be a very good indication to go long. Don't shy away from going along at 2350. And the same time, on the downside, it is going to get support till 2250 levels. Now any break beyond 2250 will be a very good indication that it is going to drop further. However, 2270, you can take a short, you can try to take a short position, and you can expect it to head towards 2250. And if it breaks 2250, definitely that is the time one can remain short on silver for 2200 and below levels. Now the DPO is in green. The stochastic is overbought here, and the crossover can be seen. So once this crossover completes, probably we might see couple of red candles, and then it might try to shoot out strongly. Hence, a drop till towards 2280, 2270 cannot be denied on silver. We, for initial couple of days, we might see a drop probably, and then a rise can be followed with towards 2330 and 2340 levels. And beyond that, if it breaks, definitely it will fly. Now MACD lines are almost running parallel without any significant divergence, and hence are the bullish tendency is not very much there for silver. So considering this, let me give you the levels directly. Now this week, if you see, first let's if you see silver rising beyond 2230 or 2330, you can take a long position. You can expect 2343 the next target. If it breaks this zone, 2350 the next target. If 2350 is taken, definitely it will fly very strongly till towards 2380. Once 2380 is taken, I will expect 2420 and 2450 levels. And in fact, if it goes till towards 2473 can be seen again, and beyond that it will fly. So beyond 2330, yes, we are bullish. We are going to remain bullish on silver. And on the flip side, on the oh, on the flip side, if it breaks, so probably for next couple of days we might see it breaking. In fact, the next support level at 2280 levels. If it breaks 2280, next target is 2267. Once 2267 is taken, it will directly land towards 2250. The very strong support lies there at 2250 for the week. If it breaks 2250, the nearest resistance is 2240. Below that, it will break heavily towards 2200 levels. However, I don't expect it to break this zone at 2267 and 2280 this time. Probably it might try to achieve this zone till towards 2267 65 and may bounce back from there. So take your positions accordingly. I'm still expecting it to rise, but yes, this zone at 2330 2340 has to break for any significant move on the upside. Breaking 2350, definitely one can remain long for the month, for the rest of the trading days for the month of January, and we can expect it to fly heavily. And on the downside, if it breaks this zone at 2250, one can remain short and one can expect it to drop significantly again. So this is all for gold and silver, and you can join my Telegram channel, and definitely it will help you in your day trading decisions. And also reach out to me for my trading and training uh, related issues or concerns. My email ID and Telegram ID is mentioned in the description. You can also join my 15 days mentorship session, which contains not only for beginner to advanced but advanced to expert options. So reach out to me for any of your trading related queries. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.